guys, welcome to my channel. This is Grace and we are bringing back our 10 handmade cards, 1 homemade kit videos. If you are new to my channel or you don't know what I'm talking about, I did this, maybe, I don't know. Well, I started doing it, I want to say like maybe 3 years ago, and I kind of stopped doing it in 2021. I just didn't have enough time or inspiration to do it. But basically what I do is I make a card kit out of the supplies that I have in my stash, and then I make 10 cards out of that. It's kind of a play on the videos that you see where people buy card kits from, say, Simon Says Stamp or Spellbinders or things like that, and they make 10 cards. So I kind of do the same thing, but instead of buying the kit, I make my own from my stash, kind of helping use up what I have. So today, the inspiration comes from this stamp set from My Favorite Things that I purchased about 6 months ago or so. I haven't used it, and so I felt like I need to use it just because I had purchased it a while back, and it has a heart theme, so that's kind of where we're going for. As far as the colors are concerned, this is the color choices that I'm pulling is from this pattern paper. As you can see, there's some greens, some different shades of blues, some yellows, and some pinks, and like two different shades of pink. So that's what I am going to use. Now I have a few more other pattern papers here. So again, these are all from my stash. So this one, of course, is my inspiration color, and then I have a few dotted papers. I even have black that has some hearts on there. And then I have this multicolored paper, which I think would be really useful. And then this one, which is a bunch of words. This one is the kind of the yellowish mustard yellow. And then this one's the blue. This one's just these are kind of my neutrals, which is the dot, and then also this kind of stripy paper. Now they're all from different pads, and so I just don't know where they're from anymore. But they're 6x6, and then I added some cardstocks here. These are self-adhesive cardstock from Die Cuts with a View, and I picked some fairly neutral ones so that I can use maybe for background or for cutting stuff. A few other new to me stuff that I should be using soon because I've had them for a while in my stash is the Simple Story stencil, and it's just a bunch of dots, and so I figured I can use that maybe, you know, on this paper or something like that. And then this die cut hearts. There's different kinds of hearts here. There's the scallop, there's the nesting die, and then just the regular hearts over there. And then for cardstock bases, again, I'm making 10 cards, so I picked 5 different 8.5 by 11 cards, so I can cut them in half and then use that as my base. So I have 2 white, I have 1 yellow, I have 1 light blue, and then 1 pink. And then just for kind of added interest, I do have this bubblegum glitter paste. It's just glitter, pink glitter, that I thought would be really cool to use with the stencil. And then also I have this liquid pearls. It's key lime. This is from Ranger. Again, these are items that I have a basket or a bin that I put all of like my newly purchased items, and so I got these and the tools from that stash. So if you have some place where you store your new items, or you just have new items that you haven't used, maybe pull them out and make a card kit and then create with them. I mean, I feel like card kits would be better than maybe scrapbook kits, because I feel like a card kit you can just pick up and make whenever you want, and then it doesn't make me feel guilty that I didn't use these specific products for scrapbook layouts, because I had used them on cards, which is a smaller canvas to work with. So anyways, these are the products that I am going to be using. Make sure that if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and also the bell button so you will be notified, because the next 2 videos that I will be creating after this will be the process videos for the cards. So I have cards 1 through 5 for the first video, and then 6 through 10 for the other ones. So I hope I'll catch you there. Until then, I will catch you again next time. Bye.